dance. Soon ready. It's ready the boat land. The best fish cooking right now in Rasta kitchen.
You have any good fishing stories?
You should catch fish, but me not catch fish again, Matthew. You just shoot them at night. But I don't do it no more because I want a man to live. You know, everything we live, I want to catch a fish a day, a night again. You bite from the fisherman then. Can't catch them at night. Then sleep and live.
Until someone else kills them?
Yeah man, somebody else draw a weapon on them.
Now you said you used to fish a lot, but then you had one time where you saw a huge ass shark when you were diving?
Huge big mouth
Yeah,
shark.
can you tell that story about when you were fishing and when that happened?
Long time now that. We dive go far place at night, you know. From Riverside Beach to Barcelona and all them places at night, you know. So we always see big shark. But that night now, I couldn't tell the white man that the shark is there. I have to see myself and drown, you know. I have to go around underneath the shark. And that's it. White man come bounce up in it. And the white man say, oh, you know, call it a day, you know, call it a night, Mokko. We need for a red stripe, but that's it. When that I don't go back to sea. Line me I got through. But I don't shoot a night again. Fuck around fish a night.
So how close were you to the shark?
Close, right there.
Oh my god, like arm's length?
Yeah, that's right there. There's a big shark there on water that me can't go bounce me, you know. I don't have to dive on anything because I'm asleep. That's the same as sleep, you know. Once I'm asleep, you can pass him, you know, Matthew. No problem that. Man no stop and shoot fish at night, you know, Matthew. Every night man shoot fish, man. And this is one of the best food here. Right along this fish, you know. This fish, you know, play fish tonight, Matthew. Good fish, this in a Rasta kitchen, you know. Everybody want to come, you know. They come, they will come. Come get to my Rasta cooking. Can't force you if you want to come, you come.
Now, do you ever fish in the river anymore?
Because
Because I was walking to the store the other day and I ran into a guy who happened to be your cousin, John Bull, and he was fishing in the river like with a hand line. So what kind of bait you got? Can I see? Oh, using like a crawfish.
Swims.
What's it called?
Swims.
Swims.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is what they call it, Jenga.
Jenga.
Yeah. Fast, you know what? Fast. It's the last one leave.
Oh no.
Down there. Ah, yeah. Come, take it.
Yeah, buddy. Wicked.
Yeah.
Final one. That's luck.
Yeah. That will not easy, man.
You know, that's a bit of work.
Come, take it.
There we go.
That will.
Yeah, last one of the night.
Nice fish in the bag, man.
So these are the perch, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mokko, you know Mokko?
Yeah, I've been coming here for about 5 years.
Yeah, almost.
So what kind of dish do you make with these perch here?
At curry. At the curry, that we fry them. That part's crisp.
Nice and spice.
I want a good soup drink.
Nice
Number one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, man. Night already, you know.
Don't have to tonight.
What? Yeah, we are going to coach. Yes, and just set up everything. If I rice and dumplings, we'll steam everything now one.
Put everything in one box.
All in one, we just
Fish
keep
and
on top.
everything, right?
Just keep on top and steam.
Steve.
Right. You don't lose it now, yes, you don't go. That's a
No, now wait.
Now, yes, man. From January to now, me say, you know, stop eat fish, don't hear so. Anytime I got put those, say, a bag, 26, 30, 25, 18, 19, 25. Me all up on this. Don't go in Canada where they go along all by the road, the Canada, we go to the water. We take 10 tums and 11 perch, man. Jenga bait. Yeah, man. I'm ramp with every two, man.
I don't eat them fish there, brother.
The river fish.
No.
Why not?
Yeah, they're too dirty, man. I eat all kind of junk, kind of rubbish.
But yeah, he was fishing there with Rasta man Lee.
Got it.
Yeah.
My father. Them fuck around the river fish then too much, man. Me no trouble, you know. We used to.
Well, I saw a lot of the fish even just swimming around with Poopy today. We went for a swim in the river. And you can see them. They're all in there, but they're tiny. Like you got to catch a lot of those to get a meal.
We need big fish.
That's right, sir.